BD01 Task video by Nicolas Gritti Ressa. Hello. This is the video presentation for the BD01 Task by Nicolas Gritti Ressa. Let's begin by installing the MySQL community server. First, we go to the official MySQL website and download the MySQL community server. Once downloaded, we run the installer and complete the installation process. After that, we search for the MySQL service on our system to confirm it's installed correctly. Its status should be running or sleeping. Now we move on to installing MySQL Workbench. Again, we visit the MySQL website, download the Workbench installer, and follow the steps. Once installed, we open it and connect to the database system previously installed. What is MySQL Community Server? MySQL Community Server is a free database management system that allows us to store, manage, and query data efficiently. It's the core engine of our MySQL environment. Can it be replaced? Yes. Examples of alternatives are PostgreSQL, another open-source SQL database. Microsoft SQL Server, a commercial alternative used in enterprise environments. What is MySQL Workbench? MySQL Workbench is a graphical interface that allows us to design, manage, and administer our databases easily. It makes working with MySQL simpler through diagrams and visual tools. Alternative to Workbench? Yes. A good example is dbeaver. We download and install dbeaver and use it to connect to the same MySQL server. Now, we explore the MySQL Workbench interface. We go to the Administration tab and inspect the options like Server Status. It shows system health, uptime, connections, and performance. Users and Privileges, where we can manage database users. Next, we create a new user with administrator permissions. We define a username, password, and grant all necessary rights. We now close the current session and reconnect using the new user account. Inside Workbench, we create a new schema. Then, we add a new table called Table1 with the following structure. Create table Table1, ID int, nombre varchar 50, fetch date. Finally, we verify the creation with the command show tables. We can now see that the table has been successfully created. After creating the schema and table, we proceed to test it. We run the show tables command to confirm that Table1 appears in the list. This validates that the new user has the correct permissions and the table exists in the database. We double-click the table name to open its structure view. As you can see, it includes 3 fields: ID as an integer, nombre as a text field up to 50 characters, and fecha as a date. This setup meets the minimum requirement of having at least 3 fields with different data types. Now we open the Insert tab to test a manual data entry into the table. We add a sample row to verify that everything works properly. Once added, we run a select asterisk from Table1 query to confirm that the data was stored correctly. Finally, we review the entire process. We installed MySQL Server and Workbench, created an admin user, built a schema and a table, and tested data insertion and retrieval. This ensures the whole system is working as expected. Thank you for watching this demonstration of BD01 Task. This video was created by Nicolas Gritti Ressa. Task completed successfully.